up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. I know it's been too long since I last posted. It's been over like a month already, and I'm sorry about that, but we are back with another video. Let's just say your boy's sponsored now, you know what I'm saying? Huge shout out to Maxpeedingrods for sending over a set of coilovers for the RSX, and let's see how their brand holds up. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews about their set of coilovers, and I'm gonna give you guys an honest review about them. They're gonna be way better than what I have on the RSX right now. These are on Raceland Ultimos, and they're blown to the floor. So hopefully these will give a better ride to the RSX. And yeah, I'll give you guys an update more about what happened with the RSX. A lot of stuff has happened to it, and I won't reveal it to you guys right now, but that's for another video. But right now it's going to be a coilover video, and I'm going to be doing an honest review after I install them. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hopefully it's not too hard. Hopefully we don't run into any problems, and yeah, let's get right into it. These are the old Raceland Ultimos, if you guys are wondering what my old setup was. And these are blown to shit, so yeah. It was leaking hella of whatever that shit is inside, and it's bad. It's bad, bro. Oh my god. It's been, I think, a year of running these, and it's finally time to replace them, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I just got done with the coilover install. I started at like 9:30. It just hit 1, so 2.5 hours. I would have took like an hour and a half, but I messed up on this side like 3 times and had to already take off the strut all over again 3 times. And yeah, I'm about to jack up the fronts again and set the preload and make sure everything's all tight. I made sure that one. What?
Did you jack me?
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Jack me, daddy. Fucking faggot.
Bro, what?
Love you though.
Christian, how was it just watching me?
I was helping too, bitch.
You helped me a little bit. How was it though? Like, you know.
It was cool. We had to go by the fucking, what was that?
Oh, the ball joint remover. If y'all are doing coilovers for this car, you're gonna have to do the fronts. You're gonna need this from AutoZone. Just 32 bucks. It's basically free, but yeah. Finally. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, still a piece of shit car, you know.
Fuck you.
The fastest out of the group, you know what I'm saying?
Damn. Bags? Bags? Oh. Oh. They can't see that. Oh.
It's an 8.
Y'all can't see that yet. I'll reveal it in the next video, but you probably already know if you guys follow me on Instagram. So yeah, I'm gonna do the fronts real quick, and we should be good to go.
And then I'm about to go. I got a mom to pick up, you know what I'm saying?
If y'all want to see my Racelands before, oh my god, this wasn't here before. I set it down and this happened. It was literally leaking, bruh. Leaking. This big puddle didn't come from anything else but the coilover. Oh my god. Hey. If y'all want it, y'all want it, $50 OBO. I know what I got. But yeah, these are probably gonna go to trash, and goodbye Racelands, hello Maxpeed. So I'll see you guys where we're on the road. Alright y'all, so we are at the car wash right now. Sebastian over here, and we got Dustin's car over there. You can see his little wing. And yeah, we're at the car wash. We got Jalen and his girl over there, a couple of people here, and we are heading to the meet in a bit. But driving it from my house to all the way to Elk Grove is so smooth. Like all the turns, not all the turns, but all the bumps that I usually go through taking that road on Franklin, I eat it like nothing. Like I don't feel it no more. Like dude, like it's stiff. It's stiffer than my Racelands, and I think the Racelands were like at 6K spring rates, and I don't know about these. I think these are 8Ks, but yeah, they're way better than the Racelands that I had. So good reviews for the Maxpeedingrods at the moment. First initial thoughts, and yeah, sorry guys for not uploading in a while. I've been too busy. Car was down for a cool 2 weeks, and yeah, I'll tell you guys more about that in another video. But yeah, we're just waiting for Sebastian and Dustin to finish up their cars. I just vacuumed mine a little bit, and should be a cool fun meet. Thank you guys for 1K subscribers once again, and thank you guys for making this possible, this sponsor possible for Maxpeedingrods. And shout out to Hazel from Maxpeedingrods for actually connecting to me and actually hitting me up for a sponsorship. And yeah, never I thought I would get a sponsorship this quick in my life, and I'm just grateful and blessed to be able to say that I've been sponsored by a company, a brand new company, a startup company that just wants to send me their stuff. And yeah, I'm forever grateful. I'm happy, and thank you guys again for 1K. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Yeah, I don't want to get emotional. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's getting hot in here, bro. It's getting hot. We'll meet you guys at the meet, and we'll try to get some rollers for you guys. And let's just have a great night.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh.
Alright y'all, so we are at the meet.
What's up,
Ethan,
what's up, what's up?
Dustin, we got everybody here. We got Darren's car.
Oh, wait, I'll introduce Sebastian.
Gang, gang.
Hey, isn't this Dustin right here?
No.
What? There's
Hey,
two.
that's your
Yo,
wet cut. That's
this
your
is
wet cut.
Dylan, this is Dylan, and then this is Dustin right here.
Now I'm Dylan. Hey, Dylan, what's up? Oh, sorry. Now I'm Dustin.
Hey man, welcome to vlogging in, man. Hey man.
Oh my god.
Look how fucking iconic.
Wow. I like that.
Wow.
But we are at a meet. Hope you guys like the rollers that Ethan took. But here's my car. Oh, you can't see that, bruh.
Hey man, whose RSX is this though?
Who's RSX is this, bruh? But this shit's hella clean, bruh.
I like that, bro.
I like that too. We got Dustin's car, my car. I won't show you guys the front, just the whole thing, but you know what I'm saying. Just know. Yeah, I'm parked next to my twin. You know what I'm saying.
This carbon, bro.
I know that shit's clean, bro. Damn, bro. Shit poppin' cut. Shit poppin' cut.
Babe.
Oh my god, Daddy! Double Daddy!
Can I get up in your walk time, baby? Shawty, can I ride the wave? Get up in your walk time.
You're not about it.
If I don't bowl good tonight, you know why. You know what I'm saying? You know why. So, if I don't hit 100, it's bad.
Take the ring off.
I'll get one to my wife.
Uh-huh.
I'm married now, sorry.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Hey, you know who you are?
Bro, that fucking freeway sounds like a fucking racetrack. I swear to God, it's like, I was like, damn. What you gotta say? I don't even know. All I know is I'm gonna have fun tonight, boy. Hey, shut up, man. You too close to the camera, dog. Ugly ass. Hey, you too close to me, bro. Come here. Y'all were going too fucking fast.
Shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna
I miss my ex, Fatima. If you're, bro, watch. When this video drops, we'll be back together and like. I don't want to play anymore, bro.
go, there's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, just while they call me Mr. Fahrenheit.
Aaron, don't delete this, please. Fatima must see this, or put this in the bloopers or something. But like.
Public racetrack. Public racetrack? We are Mexico, guys! Oh yeah!
Hey, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm reversing on a GT350, bro. Oh, I'm beasting this, bro.
Look at this guy. Okay, the camera's about that. Hey Justin, say peace.